Alright, hello everybody. Welcome to my second PC builder vlog. Um, we got another computer to work on, and let's check out the job. So, we're sailing boat, and now upgrade so I can sail. Hello, I've been playing a great sailing simulation game, but while my computer will just about run it, while my computer will just about run it, but if I turn up the graphics, the frame rate drops. So, the computer will barely run it, but turn up the graphics, frame rate plummets. I used a program called Will It Run. I have this program on USB to see what I need, and it seems that while my personal computer, is okay for the minimum specs, the recommended specs needs a better GPU. Can you have a look for me? Danky G. Will, Richard. Alright. Can play Sail Away, Sailing Computer at the recommended spec level. Alright. We have some parts here. I ordered a better GPU for this customer, and I ordered 2 terabytes for another customer. I'll getting to another vlog right there. Alright. So, let's go look at this computer. So, first things we're going to do, gotta get inside the computer. We're gonna remove the case part here. So, from what it sounds like so far, it's looking like we need a new GPU, as far as I'm aware. Check the email again. Basically, yep, needs a new GPU. As far as we're aware, might be some other stuff we can do to it. So, what we're gonna do is we are going to remove this case part, kind of holding in like the internals, keeping everything in, holding in the graphics card, and we're going to now remove this DFL Radeon R9 280GR8 that has 3 gigabytes of VRAM, and remove this graphics card. Screw this out, and it's gone now. Yep. And we are going to input our EVGA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti gaming graphics card, which looks to be requiring us that we remove another part there. Now, I did order this the day prior. I do believe it'll be enough for Sailing Boat Simulator, but you'll see here we can check it. Just in case. Alright. Okay, so now we've done that. Gonna need to put in the PC lock again. Screw that back on. Make sure the GPU is safe. And we're also going to slap on a new coat of thermal paste in there, just to make sure it's all good. So we are going to throw on some thermal paste, and we're going to shut that off. Alright, now I took out their cooler, I forgot which one it was, but looking back at their system specs right here, we can see the cooler they had was a, oh, that's weird, did it, I guess for some reason this game, whenever you take it apart, it'll take it out of the email. That's stupid. Anyways, if I had to guess what they had, they probably had the CryoRig M9i. However, it is used, so perhaps they could use an upgrade. Alright, so we're gonna slide that back in. Oh wait, no, they had the Martini. I know, because it was facing frontwards. Okay, yeah, perfect. Slide that back in. Okay, yeah, alright. So, yep. Yep, so they used a, Martini Thermal 100, we put on thermal paste, and then we we throw back on the air cooler. So now we have our new GPU in. So we're gonna boot it. Alright, let's attach the cables. So again, plugging the keyboard in so it'll register on the monitor, as well as the motherboard and the computer in general. Plugging the mouse in so it'll register on the monster, in the computer in general. Plugging in the graphics card so it will in fact like connect to the computer and giving everything power through the PSU. So let's see what happens. Alright, looking good. So, oh, I forgot to insert the USB drive. Boom. Throw that in there. Looking good. And we have our stuff. System info. Boom. Virus scanner. I always run a virus scan just to make sure their computer isn't being slowed down by any malicious programs. And will it run? Yes. Alright, restarting the computer so all those programs can download and stuff, or applications. So first thing I'm going to check is any viruses. Let's see here. Nope, this guy hasn't been clicking on any dodgy sites. He's all good. Next thing I'm going to check, system inflow. Is there any issues? Ooh, those temps are looking quite high actually. I mean, they're not super high. It could also just be due to his parts, but again, I've typically seen lower than this. So we might actually want to replace his fan. We'll see if it can run. Will it run though? So we're gonna go to Sail Away Sailing Simulator. We're gonna go to the recommend spec. It can in fact run this, so that's good. Alright. Oh, we're gonna check out the fan temp though. So we're gonna do power it off. Unplug the PSU. Unplug the motherboard. Remove cooler. Just in case, for the game's sake. In real life, you would have already applied the proper amount of thermal paste, and you wouldn't have to redo this. Just for the video game, since for some reason it's not showing up, we're gonna reapply thermal paste. And we are going to then slide in this CryoRig M9i, which has a little bit better airflow than the Mortoni Thermal 100. That's looking good. We're gonna plug in the PSU. We're gonna hook this up. We'll see if we get any better temperatures. A little faster. No, not looking like it. Alright, well, overall, might just be the components. But due to the fact this is for gaming and stuff, he's trying to game on it. And so, it's very possible, yeah, that it could just require more power and its components are just simply hotter. However, overall, it's looking pretty alright. So, since there isn't too much of a change, we'll just pop in his old fan. So we're just gonna apply this just in case. Alright. Pop in thermal 100. Alright. And all this. And so this is all good. And we are going to plug in the side panel. Oh, it says it's missing cables. Why is it saying missing cables? Just forgot something. Oh, yep, gotta connect the air cooler to the motherboard. And, yep, so now we're gonna be all good. Just put on the side panel. Oh, it's asking if we can boot the OS again, because we changed out the fan. Let's do that really quickly. And we'll just slide in. We'll just slide in the, it into the HDMI port, since that's all we really need. Oh. Okay, well, in real life, it would have booted to the, like, to what you needed. It just, instead of the game, it won't do it because there isn't stuff in there. But basically, the GPU is what is what allows your monitor to display. So, theoretically, that's all we would have really needed. Oh yeah, no, not theoretically. That's all we would have needed just for it to display and boot to the operating system. Alright, well now it's good. Alright, we're going to pick up this computer, and that's another satisfied customer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.